The cabin air filter in your 2021 Tesla Model Y is crucial for maintaining clean air inside your car. It filters out dust, pollen, pollutants, and allergens, ensuring a healthy and comfortable driving experience. A dirty filter can reduce airflow, impacting your HVAC system's efficiency and potentially causing unpleasant odors. Regularly replacing it, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or annually, is a simple DIY task that can make a big difference. Before you start, gather the necessary tools and parts. You'll need a new cabin air filter, part number 104435-00A or similar, costing $20 to $50 from Tesla or third-party suppliers. A flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool can be helpful for removing the access panel. Gloves are recommended to keep your hands clean. Make sure you are working in a clean, dry area. The cabin air filter is located behind an access panel under the passenger side glove box. First, fully open the glove box and remove all its contents. Then, gently but firmly pull the glove box downwards to detach it from its hinges. You will see the access panel, which is secured by plastic clips or screws. Use your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully release the clips or screws holding the access panel in place. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once all the fasteners are released, remove the panel to reveal the cabin air filter housing. Ensure the vehicle is off and keys are removed for safety. With the access panel removed, you can now see the old cabin air filter. It's a rectangular unit, approximately 10 by 8 by 1 inches in size. Carefully slide the old filter out of its housing. Note the direction of the airflow arrows on the filter. This is important for installing the new one correctly. Now take your new cabin air filter. Notice the airflow arrows on the filter frame. These must point towards the cabin, the same direction as the old filter you removed. This ensures proper air circulation through the HVAC system. Slide the new filter into the housing, aligning it properly. The filter should fit snugly inside the plastic housing. Push the filter in fully until it is completely seated in the housing. There should be no gaps around the edges to ensure optimal performance and prevent unfiltered air from entering the cabin. Double check that the arrows are still pointing towards the cabin and the filter is secure. This completes the filter installation. Now, reattach the access panel by aligning it with the housing and securing the plastic clips or screws. Gently push the glove box back into place, reattaching it to its hinges. Ensure the glove box opens and closes smoothly. Double check that all components are securely fastened. After installation, you may need to reset any filter replacement prompts in the Tesla app. Start your Tesla and test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow and temperature control. Regularly changing your cabin air filter will keep your Tesla's air clean and the HVAC system efficient. According to a 2024 survey, 70% of Model Y owners perform this task themselves, so you're in good company.